One of the other things that we found a need for was a common theme throughout the Northern Neck localities that we've been working with is let's create a priority to create an ongoing resilience committee. And so one of the things as facilitators at the University of Virginia at our Institute for Engagement and Negotiation, one of the things we often do is help groups get organized. And so we put together what we're calling a resilience committee formation worksheet that is available to those of you who have not yet done this and not yet formed an ongoing resilience committee. If you choose to do this, like I think 3 or 4 others have already, this worksheet could be really helpful to you. And it begins with the end in mind of saying, you know, why are we doing this? What is the hope for this resilience committee? Why do we want to form another committee? All of us hate committees. So why would we want to do this? And the reason that has emerged from the communities we've worked with are several, is that they want to keep resilience on the community radar for their project priorities and for project funding opportunities that are coming down the pipeline. They want this committee to be, in a way, the filter for identifying community needs and to serve as a liaison with different community members and organizations. And so with that goal or scope of work in mind, each of the committees that we've already formed has taken a different shape. And so this worksheet basically asks the questions that you need to answer, and it does not tell you what your answer should be. There's no right or wrong answer. You get to form your committee in the way that works best for your community. And the things that it will lead you through are the methods of formation. How do you want it to be appointed? You know, what is your mode of operation? Do you want to operate by consensus or Robert's rules or something else? And who should be on this committee? And really thinking about not only the breadth of representation, but the diversity of needs and the depth of the issues that will need to be covered. And, you know, do some people float in as needed, or and some are just sort of core committee members? The worksheet leads you through all of these questions. So we offer that to you as another one of these many tools that we've developed to address your needs in the last year.